Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for fine reduction in the UAE. First, understand that many types of fines, including traffic and municipality penalties, may be eligible for reduction. You'll need to identify the specific authority that issued your fine. This process can help you save money and resolve outstanding issues efficiently. We'll cover the simple steps to get started. To begin, access the official government portal or visit a service center for the issuing authority. For example, traffic fines are handled by police departments. Ensure you have your Emirates ID, vehicle registration if applicable, and all fine particulars ready. Clearly articulate your request for reduction, providing any supporting evidence that might strengthen your case. This direct approach is key. For the best chance of success, apply for a fine reduction as soon as possible after the fine is issued. Authorities often look favorably upon prompt action. When explaining your situation, be honest and brief. Avoid lengthy narratives. After submission, it's wise to follow up on your application status within 3 to 5 business days to ensure it's progressing smoothly. Persistence can pay off. Always double-check the specific requirements for your particular fine, as procedures can vary slightly between different authorities. Remember, the system is designed to be straightforward, making it easier for residents to manage their obligations. Don't hesitate to seek assistance if you encounter any difficulties. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. We hope this guide helps you navigate the fine reduction process effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.